Toyota GR Supra GT4 EVO2. Key features and launch date. Toyota has unveiled a new variant of the GR Supra GT4, the EVO2, which is confirmed to make its competition debut next year. The upgraded car, which changes the EVO model launched in 2024, promised higher levels of performance, reliability, and operability based on feedback from Toyota's GT4 customers globally. Particular improvements on the Toyota GR Supra GT4 EVO2 include new anti-lock braking system maps, a reduction in downshift time, and advanced acceleration control during braking, improved engine, drivetrain, and brake cooling, and optimized cockpit temperatures. The EVO2 is set for its race debut in January in the opening round of the International Motorsports Association Michelin Pilot Challenge at Daytona, which supports the Rolex 24 at Daytona. A retail price of €202,000, around $225,000, has been set for the new model, which is available to order now. Toyota entered the GT4 market with the original GR Supra GT4 in 2020, with additive sales, including the 2023 EVO model, having surpassed 120 units. It's enjoyed championship success in Europe, with class titles in the French GT4, GT4 Scandinavia, and DTM trophies, in the US in Pirelli GT4 America, and in Asia in Fanatec GT World Challenge Asia, powered by AWS and Super Taikyu. The upgraded Toyota Supra, much like the previous versions, will be manufactured by the W Racing Team through its WRT manufacturing subsidiary.